So topic of today's class is exponents. Now, what do you mean by exponent? If I write a number as 2 raised to power 3, then in this number 2 is my base and 3 is my power or exponent. Now next, we are going to discuss 6 laws of exponents, and following these 6 laws, you will be able to solve all the questions. So let's get started. My first law is, I call it Ulta Pulta law. Yes, just turn the things round. If the number is written as a upon b raised to power minus n, just reverse it. A upon b will become b upon a, and the magic of this reciprocal is your power will become positive from negative. So the simple rule to change the power from negative to positive is my Ulta Pulta law. Second law is the magic of 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So my first law is Ulta Pulta law. Second is the magic of 0. Any number raised to power 0 will always be 1. Now the third law is a raised to power m multiply by a raised to power n. If the number is written in this form, the base of the two numbers is same and there is a multiple sign in between, then we are going to add the powers. A raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n can also be written as a raised to power m plus n. Now the fourth law is a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. If the base is same of the two numbers and powers are different and they are divided, then powers are subtracted. It will be equals to a raised to power m minus n. Next is a raised to power m raised to power n. Then in this case, powers are going to be multiplied. Now my sixth rule is, if a raised to power m and b raised to power m, it can be written as ab raised to power m. So these are my 6 rules. Now let's solve some questions using these. So my first question here is minus 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 4 into minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 3. Now the key rule to solve the questions on exponent is always change all the powers into positive. Powers is negative here, so I am going to change them into positive number. And how I am going to do this? Using my Ulta Pulta law. Minus 1 upon 2, reverse it, it will become minus 2 upon 1 raised to power 4 multiply by minus is common 2 upon 3. Ulta Pulta will be 3 upon 2 raised to power 3. Now just simply open the bracket. Minus 2 raised to power 4, it will become minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 3 raised to power 3. So I am writing it 3 times upon 2, 2 and 2. 2, 2, 2 cancel out. So it will be 27 into 2, 54. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, and the sign left is of minus. So my answer here will be minus 54. In the next question, base is same and the sign is of divide. So I am going to follow my fourth rule. If the numbers have the same base and they are in division, powers are going to be subtracted. So this can be written as 3 raised to power minus 7 minus 10 multiply by 3 raised to power minus 3. Minus plus 10 minus 7 will be 3. Now base is same and the numbers have multiplication sign in between. Now I am going to follow my rule number 3. Powers are going to be add. So it will become 3 raised to power 3 plus minus 3. So it will become 3 raised to power 0. And next, magic of 0. Anything raised to power 0 is always 1. So my answer here will be 1. Now for the C question. 49. Now I can write 49 as 7 raised to power 2 into p raised to power minus 4. In the denominator, the 14 can be written as 7 multiplied by 2 into p raised to power minus 8. Base is same, sign is of multiply. Powers are going to be add. Minus 3 plus 1, it will become minus 2 into 2. In the next case, minus 4 minus 8, they are in division. So powers are going to be subtracted. So p raised to power minus 4 minus 8. Now next, 7 base is same and they are in division. So again I am going to subtract the powers. 7 raised to 2 minus 2 into p minus 4 plus 8 upon 2. Minus plus 2 plus 2 will become 4. 7 raised to power 4 into p raised to power 4 upon 2. 7 raised to power 4 will be 343 into 7. So it will become 2401 p raised to power 4 upon 2. 7 raised to power 4, 7 raised to power 3 is 343. Power 4, so I have multiplied it with one more 7. So my answer is 2401 p raised to power 4 upon 2. So this is how we are going to apply the laws of exponents in the question. My next question is to evaluate this function. So here under root 6, it can be written as power 1 upon 6 multiply, dot means multiply, a raised to power 2 by 3 x raised to minus 1 into minus b. Now these outer powers are to be multiplied by rule number 5. So I am going to multiply these powers. So it will become a raised to power 4b into 1 by 6. 4b upon 6. X raised to power 6 into 1 by 6 into a raised to power 2 by 3 into minus b. So it will be minus 2 by 3b. X raised to power minus plus 1 into b. 6 to 6 cancel. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now it will become a raised to power 2 by 3b into x into a raised to power minus 2 by 3b into x raised to power b. Now for these two, the base is same and the sign is of multiply. So I am going to add the powers. A raised to power 2 by 3b minus 2 by 3b. And for these two, base is same and the sign is of multiply. So add the powers of these two. 1 plus b. It will become 0 and anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this value will become 1. 1 into x raised to power 1 plus b will be x raised to power 1 plus b. So this will be my answer. Now for the next question, x raised to power a minus b multiply by x raised to power b minus c multiply by x raised to power c minus a. In all the three, the base is same x and the sign is of multiply. So I am going to add the powers. So let's start adding. X raised to power a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. So a minus a cancel out, c minus c, b minus b, x raised to power 0, and the magic of 0 is anything raised to power 0 is 1. So my correct option here is option second. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. The value of this is equals to 1. Our next question here is find the value of x raised to power a upon x raised to power b raised to power a plus b multiply by x raised to power b upon x raised to power c raised to power b plus c multiply by x raised to power c upon x raised to power a raised to power c plus a. Now the question is looking really very horrifying, but it is very simple. See, they are in division, base is same. So my rule number 4, powers are going to be subtracted. I am going to subtract the power here. It will become x raised to power a minus b. Outer power will be a plus b only. Multiply by, again the division and base is same. I am going to subtract the powers. X raised to power b minus c raised to power b plus c. For the third case, do the same operation. Division and the base is same. So we are going to subtract the powers. X raised to power c minus a, outer power is c plus a. Now, which of these rule is fitting? Yes, my rule number 5. The powers are now going to be multiplied. So, a minus b multiplied by a plus b. It will become a square minus b square, b plus c into b minus c, b square minus c square, c plus a into c minus a, c square minus a square. So I have applied my rule number 4 and rule number 5. Now the base is same and in between the sign is of multiplication. I am now going to use my rule number 3. When the base is same and the sign is of multiplication, the powers are added. So let's add these powers. A square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. So my answer is x raised to power 0. Now the magic of 0. Anything raised to power 0 is always 1. So my answer to this question is 1. Option B. So this is how I have applied my law 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th in the question. Now let's move to our next question. See, x raised to power n and outer also there is a power. So rule number 5. When there are two powers, we are going to multiply them. So let's multiply n with n minus 1 by n, and the third power is also going to be multiplied. So first start with these two. X raised to power n multiply by n minus 1 by n, and outer power is again 1 upon n minus 1. If I am going to take the LCM of it, it will become x raised to power n multiplied by n into n square minus 1 upon n, and the outer power is 1 upon n minus 1, and cancel, n square minus 1, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. If I am going to expand this, it will become n plus 1 n minus 1 upon n minus 1, cancel out. So my final answer is x raised to power n plus 1. My option B here is correct option. So my next question is, I have to find the value of x. Here it is 2 upon 5 raised to power 4 multiplied by 2 upon 5 raised to power minus 7. Base is same, sign is of multiply. So I am going to add the powers. So it will become 2 upon 5 raised to power 4 plus minus 7 equals to 2 upon 5 raised to power 2x plus 1. Plus minus minus, 7 minus 4 will be 3. Sign of greater number, 2 upon 5 raised to power 2x plus 1. Here the base is same and the sign is of equals to. So the power has to be same. Base is same, sign of equal. So I can now write on equating the powers. Here the power is minus 3 and here the power is 2x plus 1. Plus 1 then comes to this side, minus 3 minus 1. So value of x will be minus 4 upon 2, that is minus 2. Let's solve one more question on the similar pattern. Here it is written under root 9. Now, and in all the other cases the base is 3. So here, can I write under root 9 as 3? So it will be 3 raised to power minus 7 multiply by, now in the place of under root 3, can I write 3 raised to power 1 by 2? So it will become 3 raised to power 1 by 2 raised to power minus 5 equals to 3 raised to power x. 1 by 2 into minus 5 will become minus 5 by 2. Again, base is same, sign is of multiply. So I can now add the powers. 3 raised to power minus 7 minus 5 by 2 equals to 3 raised to power x. So now 3 raised to power minus 14 minus 5 by 2 equals to 3 raised to power x. 3 raised to power minus 19 by 2 equals to 3 raised to power x. Base is same, sign is of equals, so I can now easily equate the powers. My value of x here is minus 19 upon 2. So this is how we are going to find the value of x. My next question is, find the value of a upon b, for which 2 upon 5 raised to power minus 5 multiplied by 15 upon 7 raised to power minus 5 is equals to a upon b raised to power minus 5. Now, according to my rule number 6, a raised to power m into b raised to power m can be written as ab raised to power m. Here also the powers are same. So I can now multiply the base. So this can be written as 2 upon 5 multiplied by 15 upon 7 raised to power minus 5 equals to a upon b raised to power minus 5. So it will become 6 upon 7 raised to power minus 5 equals to a upon b raised to power minus 5. Now the powers are same and the sign is of equals to. So now I can equate the base. So here equating the bases. So value of A upon B will be equals to 6 upon 7. So whenever I have to find the base and the powers are same, I can compare the bases, and if I have to find the exponent and the base is same, sign is of equals, I can compare the powers.